In this video, we will program set points on the iGrow1800 environmental controller. With the iGrow1800, you'll be able to use up to 8 set points in a 24-hour period. Within each day, set points are based on time and temperature to produce an ideal environment. By placing set points during different times of the day, you can regulate the temperature within a range for target temperatures and humidity. When a set point is in effect at a certain time length, the controller will activate the necessary equipment in heating and cooling stages to bring the environment back to the normal state. Same applies with humidity, if it rises or falls beyond the target low-high set point. So let's go ahead and program. From the home screen, you would hit Enter Menu, then you would hit Next or Previous. To get to set point time period, hit Enter Menu. Now to navigate in the screen, you would hit Next and Previous, and to change values within the field, you would hit plus and minus. Now, by hitting plus, you can see you have up to 8 set points, 2 through 8 disabled, and 1 enabled. If you only have 1 enabled, it would be a 24-hour set point. Hit Next. Now the start time can be either sunrise, or it could be in accordance to sunset or absolute time. To change the numerical values, you would simply hit plus or minus to get to the time you want your set points to start. And for this example, we'll make this set point 9 a.m. with the target temperature to 72.5. Next. And we'll leave our relative humidity between 40 and 50. And hit Next, and it brings you to the top. When more than one set point is used, the second or subsequent set points will become the active set point at the start time, and the previous set point will end. So we'll hit this to get to number 2, and we'll go ahead and enable this set point. And we'll make the start time for this set point be 6:30 p.m. with a target temperature of 67 to 70.5. Relative humidity 35 to 45. In addition, you have the option of a temperature ramp between each set point. You see, ramping allows for you to make smooth transitions within the greenhouse so that plants don't experience temperature shock. And what we'll do is we'll go ahead and set this ramp for set point 1 to be 30 minutes. And we'll go ahead and go to set point 2, and we'll make this ramp be 60 minutes. Of course, ramp times can also be set at 0, and in this case, there would be an immediate step transition of the set points themselves. Now with the Lincoln view, to get the set points, you would go to Zone Settings, and you would hit the Set Point button. Now on the set point screen, you have a scroll bar on the right which allows you to navigate through the 8 set points. You also have Astro Adjust, in which you can make the set points to be absolute time, sunrise, or sunset. And for our example, we do have set point 1 starting at 9 a.m. for 30 minutes of a ramp between 68 and 72, 40 to 50 in relative humidity. And if you notice that set point 2 is grayed out, and to make it active, you would simply hit this enable button, and you can now make changes to the various fields to accommodate your set point values. Now once you have set up your second set point or third or fourth, you would simply apply, and now with the graphing you can see the ramping of temperature and relative humidity. And when you're done programming, you simply update with Lincoln, and from the controller you would simply hit back 3 times till you get to the home screen to save your changes. And that's our video in programming set points on the iGrow1800 controller.